Okay, hello everybody. Today I am going to try Golang with Cursor AI as a vibe coding to see if Cursor AI uh, is be able to write a simple to-do list application with Golang and Gene. And we want to have a simple to-do list application. Let me make it bigger using Gin and have a JWT token also using best practices like always. Let me see how it proceeds. Just for your information, I made the video once, but I don't know why the video stop and freeze. It's some, I guess the when it runs it use a lot of RAM or something, and because of that I am recording it again. Possibly I will stop after 5 or 10 minutes to see if everything is okay and then proceed. Don't be wondering if something changed. It's making, that's not good. You see, it's making all the folders and all the files together, but that is not a good approach. That approach is not good. Delete all files and folders. Then step by step, init project, make models and test and run tests. Then next step, write test and run, etc. We don't want it to make the whole project for us. We want it to write small step and write the test, run the test. If the test is okay, then we will go to the next one. Okay. I guess everything is fine. Let me just check my emails. Okay. Okay. When you're ready, as I said, init project, make models and test, and next step and test, etc. I don't know why it is stopping some obvious steps like the initialization of the project or something like that. I already told it. I was wondering that, but okay, it made the models as I said and made the test. Okay, that's good. Okay, did you run the tests? Obviously not. I guess, maybe. Yes, let us see. Ah, okay. Let me run the test myself. Okay. Perfect. Now go to next step and write test. After that, run test, and then next step. that is a policy. Let's see. Understood. Perfect. It understand the policy. User test. Nice. That's good. Let's see it understood the policy for next steps or not. Hopefully it doesn't. I can make a dot cursor AI rules also, but I don't want to use it. I want to know that how smart is that by itself. Oh, it's running the test. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's using SQLite. Actually, using SQLite for prototyping is pretty common in using Golang, and it's very good because you can check first everything is fine, and then you can switch easily to maybe object relational mapping library or something more convenient like Postgres and so on, MySQL, MariaDB, or etc. Yes, proceed to end. Let us see now. It's checking the linter error also. That's really nice. I can see. That that was the errors there. It's bringing the hash password function. It's using bcrypt library, which is very common. Okay, let's just accept everything. Go on. But you see the structure of the project when I didn't tell it to structure it at not at the beginning altogether, it was a little bit better. I guess it took it from somewhere. But now when I said go step by step and structure it, the structuring doesn't seem very nice, but it doesn't matter. When the code works, then we can restructure it always. Yes. Let's see how it structured the roads, which we are going to bring now, I guess. Make it structured with this make or no structure it using best practices. Okay. Where is that main.go? Because I told it to go step by step. Did not did not even make the main.go. That's Okay. It's going to use GORM. I never said to use a type ORM or GORM or something like that. But it's using it. Doesn't matter. Let's see if it is working. Okay. Make the main go file and run app to see if it builds. Actually, not bad up to now. Okay, the package main is coming. Make a function. It's doing it step by step now, which is good. But it is empty. Okay. Uh-huh. Yes, proceed. It did it intentional to see if the project builds or not. So that was not bad. That was a good policy. Actually, Mr. AI or Mrs. AI. What should we say it? Okay, it's adding the libraries, Go JSON and many others. Okay, it's bringing the health, which is a good approach. It's going to but the test request to health fade due to the typo in the curl command. Okay. How can an AI have a typo in curl command? That's like a human. Let's see. Yeah, I saw. Okay. Okay. Let us first add the login parts. Okay, it made a good structure for that. Put the test also, which is nice. What we told before, what we asked before. Okay. Of course, yes. Why are you asking it again and again and again? I will do the same with the Copilot agent in VS Code, which is somehow available for free now. I will try with that also, and we can compare it that how they work and how much difference we will see. The app built successfully. Okay. Yes, always with every step test. That's what I learned. You have to write tests as much as possible. Write more and more and more tests and smaller and smaller and smaller steps. In that case, it would be the success factor would be better, and the percentage, the risk percentage would be lower. Okay, test pass. You can now register a user and log in. Proceed with adding JWT or another tester. Okay, what we do, we will put the endpoints, and then I will tell it to make an .http file that we can run the test and see if it's working or not. Let's see. Okay. While the database is inside the controller, nobody knows. It's bad, but it's just for test. Doesn't matter. Yes. As we see, we have some compiler errors because here made nothing and keep it empty, which is bad. Yes. Let us remove these compiler errors. It's bothering me. What's this? Okay, we will check it later. Mm-hmm. Let's see, where does it come from? It is init, not init SQLite. That's why. Yeah. Up to now, it's not bad, actually. Okay. Mm-hmm. It's testing the endpoints of the authentication endpoints, register, login, etc. And Okay, all control tests was passed with isolated in-memory data. Okay, you now have JWT project to do, register all logics. Okay, but we have this one. And then I will tell it to make an .http file, and we run the app in with air. Possibly we will add air also, or I will run it with main for now and test it. Okay. Okay. Before proceed, run all tests. Let's see if it works. It was not bad actually. Okay. Mm. Okay. Now make a .http file for me to manual test. What is the .http? .http is just is from a plugin in VS Code, REST client, I guess. Yes, you make a .http file with a specific syntax that I will show you now, and you can easily test your endpoint. Okay, it made it. Okay, the syntax is something like this. You will put 3 hashtags and the name and space, and then you can run it like that, but the application is not running at the moment. Let's go and go run main.go. Address already in use. Okay, let us kill address 80. I want to run app by myself. Okay. Run the app for me. Okay, it's listening. And now we go here, send a request. Okay, not found. Test them with curl yourself. Why is changing something? I just told to test them with curl, nothing else. But yes, you see that is a to-do list app. the simplest thing that maybe can be written by a developer using the sources in GitHub and everything in less than an hour. But you see, it is in the rabbit hole, and imagine that you have a microservice application in production, like with uh, 80 microservices, or even with 10 or 5. That would be nasty. Simple to-do list application. There is some success. 201 created, and the token is there. That is the username and password, Alice, and password 123. It did not put any, unless we told it to use best practices. This is not a best practice. The password should have some validations, like special characters and specific lengths, or add air for hot reloading. Okay, let me copy the token. Okay, obviously we need the token. Send it. Okay, it's working. It is working. Let us see. Okay. Okay, this one is working also. Let us put a token here and here, and send it, and it is working. So it was not bad in total. I don't know, but I will do some more complex scenarios to understand better how good it is. For now, make a commit and push. I still use the same repository, but I made a Golang version, as you see, branch. Or I will make another repo. Doesn't matter. I will make it in another repo too. Okay. Okay, everybody, that was not bad.